Yes, and then you can look that.
Oh, look that way.
Yeah.
Right,
Good.
anybody else got anything?
So we are here today to launch support towards COVID-19 in Isiolo County by the British Army, BATUK. And as soon as we realized we are getting cases at the national level, I quickly, understanding the need for water and hand washing exercise that our people have to do, I started reaching out to friends, and you know, the British government, the ambassador himself was here, the British Army officials have been here many times. We have had the Sustainable Urban and Economic Development Program, SWED, which is a British government project. So because of this friendship, I thought about who our friends are, and I started reaching out so that we could get support for drums so that our people can wash hands. And I'm very, very grateful that BATUK is one of the first responders, and they came very quickly. They have given us 12 10,000 liter drums, which we have stationed at various strategic places among the community and the market and various strategic places. Today we are receiving the last 4. 8 have already been delivered. So we would like to say thank you very, very much to BATUK and to the British government for the friendship and for responding very quickly. Up to now we don't have a case, and therefore it is very timely that now our people, before we start getting cases, are able to practice the hand washing exercise which we are telling them, because sometimes it's very difficult to tell people to wash hands when there's even no facility. So this will go a long way in reducing that burden, and we are still needing more, and we have asked more friends, but you are among the first responders, and we say thank you very, very much. And today we are here therefore to launch this support. I want to say again, the purpose of this is to encourage everybody to wash hands, everybody to keep distance, and everybody to watch out for cough, for headache, for fever. And if you have those symptoms, please report to the emergency numbers that we have given you. And also, stay at home as much as possible. You should not come out of your home if you don't have any reason. Please, it must be a very, very crucial reason that should get you out of your house to come out, because this is the time when staying home is safe for you, is safe for your children, is safe for your neighbor, and is safe for the community and the country at large, because this is a disease that has overtaken or brought even major challenge to even very developed nations, and therefore us, we need to be more vigilant. So thank you very, very much, BATUK. We will continue working together during this process, and even after, our friendship will continue. Thank you very much.
So thank you very much. Yes. Thank you.
Okay, so is that it? 1, 2, 3, go! Very good. So thank you very, very much.
Oh, sir, thank you.
I'm sure it has already been marked where it's going.
Yes, the team knows. Yeah, the team knows.
Yeah, the team knows. So we are very, very grateful.
Yeah.
Should there be any other smaller issues that you guys are able to let you know?
Okay. Sana.
Thank you.
Very good. All right. Okay, thank you very much, sir.
We'll see you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, my friend.